Hey, what's up? Sam here. Redmi has just released its first smartwatch, Redmi Watch, along with the Redmi Note 9 series in today's launch event. So why not take a look at it? Please note that this video is provided by my partner Untitled from China. I'm just translating to English. I will do a detailed one when I get my own. With that being said, please show some support for the channel by hitting the subscribe button, turning on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is important to me. Open the box, we find the watch itself, a charging cable, which is similar to Mi Band's, but wider, isn't it? So this is the Redmi watch. What do you think about it? The first impression for me is it's really lightweight. It weighs only 35 grams, while the watch body weighs 22 grams. The strap is replaceable. That's good news for us. On the back of the watch, there is a heart rate monitor and the charging contacts. Move to the left side, there's nothing there. On the left side, we can see a physical key. Feels nice and smooth. Let's just put it on. That's what it looks like on my wrist. It looks not bad with this square design. Now, let me just walk you through what gestures. Swipe down is the notifications. Swipe right is the music play feature. Swipe up is the shortcut. You get to see torch, raise your wrist to brighten the screen, lock, D&D mode, screen wall is on for 5 minutes, and the settings. Here you can change your dial interface. You can also change this in the app. We'll get to that in a moment. Now, move to the other stuff. There's built-in apps. Currently, there's no way to install other third-party apps, but you won't use that many anyway considering the screen size. We can see different sports mode and data here. Heart rate monitor. Let's give it a go. Seems accurate. Sleep, breath. I can even feel vibration here, same as Apple. It supports NFC, so you can add all kinds of cards here, but I'm not sure if you can use this outside of China. Alipay, music, alarm clock, weather, etc. Alright, we can also connect the Redmi watch with your phone through Mi Fit app. In the app, here as we said before, you can change your watch interface. There are more than 120 watch faces here for you to choose from. Apart from that, there's really not too much to see or normal stuff. So at the end of this video, let me just recap all the specs of this Redmi watch for you. It features a 1.4-inch HD screen, 323 ppi, 6 high accuracy sensors, 7 sports mode, 5 ATM waterproofing. Wow. Not only that, it has 30 days continuous heart rate tracking, 7 days battery life, 12 days standby time. That's amazing considering how tiny this watch is. Also NFC, share voice assistant, those you're never gonna use it outside of China. Alright, this is the video. Special thanks to my partner Untitled. Please consider subscribing to our channels. All links are down below. Also, my sponsor Keybuying is celebrating a huge promotion for Black Friday. Go to check it out. Lowest price ever. If you missed that, you will have to wait another year. I'm Sammy. See you in the next one.